Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, select another shape, change the color, to back the shape, rotate the shape, duplicate the shape. Then select the erase color, to back color black, to back the photo, please like the video and subscribe the channel.